What is up, guys? This is Michael from Meesh Motorsports, and I'm here for an unboxing of this new cool little clip thing that I got called an EagleKlaw. It's supposed to be a Carmat anchor, and they sent me 3 of them. Kind of seems like a seatbelt for your car mats. Functional sharp edges, avoid pinch points. Contact may avoid injury, may create injury, blah, 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 blah. Let's open them up. I'm going to be using a 2009 Ford Flex for this because it's a pretty standard car, it's something that a lot of people are familiar with, and, you know, the mats slip a lot. If your mats constantly jam underneath your pedals or underneath your seat, then this thing is absolutely perfect for you. Here's the basic process. You take the hole stamper and you put it inside of a mat, stamp your hole inside of the mat, put in the ringlet and the coupling, have that on there real nice like, and then you screw this part on, put it down, stamp down on that like you would your regular car mat, and it's fixed in place. It's really that simple to do. It's like 3 or 4 simple steps. I can't believe that this hasn't been sold before.
You can find this whole kit on a link on the website below.